So Brendan and I just came down here real quick to take a look by the Matson Park here.
Today's hits, Magic 87. I'm not the only one. Sam Smith.
Hopefully the tower will stay on long enough.
Oh, those waves, man.
Love you.
It was really tough to come in today. 3 kids at home canceled school, right? So there they are, living the dream. And I'm missing the old days.
Man, where's the camera and the battery?
My son watching House of Train Your Dragon too. So
missing the other. Where's the lighthouse? Oh, it's out there. You just can't see it right now.
Yeah.
And we're watching the snow come down, making it harder yet.
Holy crap.
Wanting to relive the days. I came this close to getting out the blankets and making.
As we were going down, though, I saw the wave kind of looked like a tsunami hit the water and then it broke up.
Bucks in the UP. And man, this isn't just for you. We have special categories for ladies.
Waves are big. I bet you Lakeshore Drive is closed.
Probably.
Bring it to Rapid River Knife Works. And if you have the biggest buck,
Why do you bet it is closed?
Well, I haven't heard anything.
Let's bring in the entire team.
Wow, look at that.
Have you ever look?
I've never seen them that big over that baseball before.
Have you ever seen waves bigger?
Yeah, I've seen big waves bigger than that, but I've never seen them this big over this breakwall.
Look at that! Look at the size of those waves, man. People watching this aren't going to be able to see very well, but they're friggin' huge.
The stations of the Radio Results Network. Good luck. Be safe out there.
Oh God. Not as big over here, are they? Oh yeah, they are.
Coca-Cola, open happiness. Save big at Menards. How big?
Wow, look at that. It's just
with an 11% rebate on everything. Make it warmer. No, 11% more. With our heaters, fireplaces, and insulation. From power stations to humidifiers to the tools to get your job done. There's no end to the possibilities with an 11% rebate on your entire purchase. Right now at Menards. Hurry in. Offer ends November 15th. So stop in today and save big. 11% big. Okay, elves. Time to pack up.
Tana, we gotta finish wrapping the presents.
Well, this year, we'll finish while relaxing at the Holiday Inn Appleton. Stay at the Holiday Inn Appleton and receive free gift wrapping, food, and supplies, and free shuttle service to the Fox River Mall. Starting at just $69 per night.
I wonder if any of those waves that go over the island.
Call 920-735-9955.
Of course, it's covered in snow.
920-735-9955. Holiday Inn Appleton.
She is one of Jeopardy's greatest. Julia Collins. He is one of the show's most talked about. Arthur Chu. Now they're back for the Jeopardy Tournament of Champions. It's going to
Told
take
you it was close.
to win this battle. 15 past champions going head-to-head for a shot at $250,000. America's favorite quiz show.
There's people walking down it though.
Champion against champion.
yeah, they can't.
It'll be a lot of fun. The Jeopardy
Huh?
Tournament of
I
Champions.
can't stop walking. We're just waiting.
Lakeview Arena.
You can get a kind of a look from this corner here.
Yeah.
Tri-City Cinema 8 and Winnipeg and the Marquette Center.
Lakeview Hockey Arena.
$40 per person for their special one-time showing.
The water level. Oh, water level is high.
Well, that's because it's washed that beach up over there again.
There's ducks in there too. isn't a river, is it? It's just like a little creek thing. Wow.
Shit, can't get through there either. Usually.
Hi everybody, Jack Hall. Here's a look at what's going on.
It's-
Marquette County has been pounded by heavy snow today.
There hasn't been a vehicle back there all day.
21.5 inches and counting, even into Elger County in the Evan Junction area, nearly a foot of snow. Much less snow further south. Mike Harrington is the Director of Operations and Maintenance of the Marquette County Road Commission. He says some of his trucks have gotten stuck. They've asked for help from other contractors to loan them graders. When will the roads be fixed up in Marquette County?
When it ends, they're calling tomorrow to slow up here. If it ends early enough, I would say Thursday, evening, we should be in good shape. If it continues through the day, it's probably going to be Friday before we get everything pretty much cleaned up and passable.
Now, not everything is so great in Delta County either, despite the fact they only received a couple of inches.
There's gonna be
of slush.
school. I know it.
Is the public safety director in Gladstone?
Well, if you said it probably won't be till Friday, we probably won't have school till Friday.
Probably 3 or 4 in the city of Gladstone. And
If we even have school Friday. I'm pretty sure there's school Wednesday and Thursday, though.
And at the Delta County Airport, not much happening.
No, we haven't had a fight since yesterday morning. We've got, slush, lots of sleet, ice, so it makes for not good runway landings.
That's Kelly Smith, the airport manager in Escanaba. For the Radio Results Network, I'm Jack Hall.
97.
Fuck. Go.
Biggest wooden dome in the world, right? What was he doing? Talking to the...
Like Lefty.
What do you mean almost looks like Lefty from Calumet?
Yeah.
Yeah. Lefty was a cool guy.
Lefty, he was a cool guy.
I like Lefty.
Yeah. There's a lot of people that would.
He gave me $20 one time.
Lefty did?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
He's probably wrong.
He looked drunk.
Yeah, but it's closed. All the way down. Put your fucking blade down.
Northern Michigan University.
Used to driving in the winter now.
Huh?
I said I'm used to driving in the winter now.
You're getting used to it?
Oh, I am used to it.
Oh. I know you're used to it.
Huh?
Said I know you're used to it.
Didn't take long then.
No. Of course, it didn't take long because all the snow fell. Plus, we've been driving almost all day.
Yeah.
A lot of people walking around.
They didn't get as much snow here as we got. Nowhere near as much snow. Look around.
Yeah.
We got way more snow.
They still got quite a bit of snow, though. BioLife places. Almost worthless at the moment. waves aren't as strong here because of the breakwall.
Today's hits, Magic 97 with Mr. Probs.
Well, you can barely see it. Or the lighthouse with the breakwall. I thought there's a. Do you think there's a freighter in here?
There should be a freighter in here. There was one on the AIS. Unless they left.
He's gonna have a hard time getting out.
James R. Barker was in here last night. They left in this crap. Went straight north. Against
Right across the
waves.
lake?
Yeah. We're right straight into the waves all damn night, but they were only making 7 knots all night.
The first Monday of December, and then the finals, where you can take a crack if you've earned your way through the prelims.
That was a good move, don't you think?
Huh?
So don't you think that was a good move?
I don't know. I'm kind of surprised that they actually left in that crap.
These guys are probably camping and waiting. Looks like a train hasn't even come up and picked the cargo from the Barker. Does it? No, there's a freighter right there. They're friggin', whoa, that thing is huge.
The Radio Results Network has a very
Overstar?
for the Midwest Truck Driving School. It's your chance to save on
Wow.
tuition to Midwest Truck Driving School in Escanaba. This certificate is good for the December or January.
Oh, I guess you just
or
didn't
you can
stop
learn how to drive trucks
far
and
enough
get
in.
CDL. It's valued at $3,600. You can buy it now for just $2,550. Save over $1,000. Get all the information when you visit the Internet Shopping Show at RadioResultsNetwork.com.
Interesting.
Mr. Worldwide brings his U.S. tours to Ellen. Anything special he wants to announce?
Let's talk about your amazing wife.
Plus another life-changing
Why is it like red right here?
Just turned up.
Whoa.
Watch Ellen today at 5, 4 Central on TV6. A winter snowstorm is